Oh, good thing I'm not flying right now, I guess. Oh shit. That's the Blue Star Ferries. I gotta set up the Phantom. That was too awesome. I got to fly over the Blue Star Ferries. I got some nice footage of him coming out of the seaport. I kind of lost track of time. The airplane came in, but lucky I was on the ground when it came in. I heard it coming. The airport is only 1.5 miles or 2 miles away from here. I was flying below the airport's altitude most of the flight, so the airplanes aren't going to fly below that altitude, and then they should always be about 400 feet minimum above the airport. So don't anybody start sending me any hate mail and people like me or whatever, because it won't matter anyway. You can't get away from the airport more than 5 miles here. You just can't. The island's not big enough. But anyway, some real nice footage today. Winds kicked up, but everything went well. I gotta go put some stuff away, get some batteries to charge, and go to my neighborhood beach, which I haven't gone to not even once yet because it's been so windy and wavy, and see if I can get some footage over there. It's always funny when you see somebody spot the drone, start taking pictures of that, waving. Can't wait for the day someone pulls their tits out. That's what you gotta do when you see a drone. You pull your tits out. That's what I do.